Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on Apps and go into Permissions. Now Permissions again, and over here you can pick one of the options like Location. Then select an app. I will go with Facebook, so I have to click on it and pick one of the options: allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Facebook gained access to my device location. You can also select one of your apps like Google, click on see all Google permissions and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!